Good day guys, welcome back to this channel. So let's quickly take a look at GBPJPY. So before we get started, if you've not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button, like and share. So now let's take a look at this moment on GBPJPY. You see that we are having a bearish move, right? Now take a look at this moment that we've gotten on GBPJPY. This is a drop on GBPJPY. We would now take this as a correction, a new drop. Notice that this drop actually broke this previous lows, right? This is the previous lows. Price got into previous lows, right? Price broke below it. Then a correction was made. Guess what? This correction actually failed to break this lower highs or whatever you want to call it. Price failed to break it. Guess what? We are now having a drop again. So definitely we are going to be expecting a new drop to be to break these lows, right, on GBPJPY, and we want to take out this level, which is this support level. So once we take a look at this movement, right, you see that this price has actually been ranging. You see that price came to this support, went up to this resistance, came again to our support level, went up to our resistance, it dropped to our support level. You can see it came up again to this our resistance level. So price has actually been ranging within this area. So it actually made sense that if price can break below this support level and drops further down, they will be expecting it to actually drop to this support level. So this is the support level I am watching out for on GBPJPY. I think we should be able to hit it in 2 weeks time. So it's not as if we would hit it immediately. At least within 2 weeks time, we should be able to hit that movement. So GBPJPY, guys, you consider this as a drop. Here we'll take a look at it as a correction, a new lows, which is a drop, a correction here, and guess what we are making now? A new lows. So that is it, bearish move. Secondly, is that we'll take a look at this moving average. We all know that once this price is above their moving average, it is a buy. So we can see for some times previously this price was above our moving average. So one of the reasons why we actually went long, it was a buy. But now this price is below our moving average. So take a look at this movement here. This price here itself is below our 10-period moving average, an indication that we actually sell. So we actually closed bearish for today, which is 29, right? Which I told you guys. So we would not know where this price will be moving for the next day, which is 30. That should take us to the 4-hour time frame. So take a look at this 4-hour time frame. What is the trend on the 4-hour time frame? Clearly, we can start. This is a bearish move. So we'll see this as a drop. Here will be the correction, a new lows, right? A correction here, a new lows on this GBPJPY. Here comes the correction. Guess what we have now? A new lows. We can consider this as a correction. After this correction, what do we expect next? Another loss. So this GBPJPY, we should be expecting another loss. At least we should be able to take out this level, which I strongly believe we'll be able to do it in. We should also take out a level of 164. So watch out for a level of 164. Watch out for this price to drop to a level of 164. After that, a pullback should be made on GBPJPY. Then our price should drop further down. The next level we'll be watching out for is this level of 163, right, on GBPJPY. So above all, we want to see this drop to a level of 164 or close to a level of 165. Let's say 165.020. So expect this GBP to drop to a level of 165.020. Then a pullback should be made. After the pullback, then we would continue our bearish move on GBPJPY. And again, when you take a look at it on this 4-hour time frame, you see the price is below the moving average. Still an indication or a confirmation that this price is still bearish. So we should consider to go short on this GBPJPY. So 1-hour time frame, still the same thing. Bearish move. Price is giving us lower lows and lower highs. So maybe if you want to take this trade, if this is just a suggestion, Joe, maybe you can wait for this price to actually break this lows. We also saw that price dropped to this lows, right? And we had a pullback. So let's see if this price will drop further down, breaks below this lows. Once it breaks below it, then we can go ahead to short this GBP JPY for the day.